Hi there, just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to create the LUTS sliding effect in case you want to show off any LUTs that you've applied to your footage. So if you just see here, I've got a clip with a custom LUT applied to it. It's one of Cody Blue's LUTs from his Blue LUTs pack, which I bought. So that Rubicon Remastered 3 there is applied to this clip. So the first thing you want to do is just select that clip, hold down Option on the keyboard and just drag it up to create a duplicate. And then on the clip we've just created on the top, if you select that and just untick the custom LUT just to set it back to how it was originally before the LUT was applied, and the clip below will still have the custom LUT applied to it. So first of all, we just want to create a keyframe at the start of the clip on the top, which doesn't have the custom LUT applied to it. So if we go down to crop and next to right, if we just create a keyframe there, and then if we just move a few seconds on in the clip and drag the crop on the right bit right over to the other side, this will create another keyframe. So the clip just looks like that at the moment. And then if we want to go to the end of the clip and do the same thing again with the crop, just set that back to 0, which will make a new keyframe. And then we can see the sliding effects now applied.